Want to sound smarter in English? Today, you'll learn 50 advanced words that will make your English strong. Let's start. The benevolent teacher helped all her students. Kind and generous. Smartphones are ubiquitous these days. Present everywhere. The instructions only obfuscated the process to confuse or make unclear. The city streets were full of cacophony, harsh, unpleasant sound. His altruistic nature inspired everyone, selfless, caring for others. She gave a pragmatic solution to the problem. Practical, realistic. The moon was luminous in the night sky. Bright, glowing. She is resilient and never gives up. Able to recover quickly. Great job! Can you remember the meanings of these 10 words? Comment below your favorite.